Ella's trying out a new toy.
Can you bounce yourself?
It's a new bouncer, which she used to love her bouncer.
It's a bouncer for big kids.
What do you think, Bug?
What do you think? Bounce. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
She doesn't seem 100% sure yet.
But she's growling.
Look, these guys spin.
What do you think?
So it appears to be a zebra wearing sneakers.
Yeah? I love you. And a bounce? Bounce. Not sure? What do you think? Good job!
Can you bounce, Ella? Can you jump up and down? Can you jump? Jump, jump. Oh. Careful.
I know.
Yeah!
Get going. Her leg comes up. What do you think? Can Ella bounce? Ella do. You see her leg come up?
No. Hi. Hi, pretty. So what do you think? You're not sure? What are you doing with your leg?
You went down? You okay? Going off? What do you think? Not sure. Okay. Okay. Ella. Ella. Oh. Good job. What's this? Daddy made this for you this morning when you were crying.
Oh no!